Welcome to Food Science and Nutrition presentation. This subject offers progression from GCSE Food and Nutrition. However, you do not need to have studied food previously to access this course. At the end of the course, you gain a Level 3 diploma, which is equivalent to an A-level. The course aims to develop and improve your understanding of food science and the relationship between nutrition and the human body. The subject is relevant to a wide range of professions and industries, including education, food industry, health and social care, hospitality and catering, journalism, medicine, and sports science. There is an emphasis on practical skills within the subject. During the 2 years, 3 units have to be completed, 2 mandatory and 1 optional. Unit 1 will need to be completed in Year 12, Unit 2 and Unit 3 or 4 in Year 13. Similar to an A-level subject, you can finish the course in Year 12 after completing Unit 1 and gain a certificate in Food Science and Nutrition, which is equivalent to AS grade. Unit 1 is all about broadening your knowledge of nutrition and developing your practical skills. There are 2 methods of assessment for this unit. One piece of coursework will need to be completed, which involves preparing and cooking a 3-course meal for 2 people, which answers a brief set by WJEC. This unit is also externally assessed through an examination at the end of Year 12. The duration of the exam is 90 minutes. During the exam, you will need to remember factual information on nutrition, as well as demonstrate that you can apply knowledge to a particular dietary or life stage, as noted in the case study-based questions. Unit 2 is mandatory and based on food safety. It looks in detail at pathogenic bacteria, fungi and viruses and how they cause illness. You will be expected to compile a file of information which can be used to complete a control assessment set by WJEC. You will have 3 weeks to complete the assessment in May of Year 13. Unit 3 is an optional unit. You have the choice of completing Unit 3 or 4. In the past, this is the unit we have chosen to complete because it is more practical than Unit 4. This unit is about food science and food production within industry. As part of your coursework, you are given a scenario by WJEC that identifies problems with a specific food product. You will need to devise and complete food experiments to solve the problems highlighted and develop a new recipe for a company. Unit 4 is an optional unit. To complete this unit, it is necessary to investigate in depth a food-related issue. You are expected to create a detailed research essay on an investigation of your choice. At the end of the course, you will be awarded a Distinction Star, Distinction, Merit or Pass grade rather than A star to E grades. That is a brief outline of the course content. If you enjoy food science and nutrition at A-level and decide on a career relating to food, then there are several university courses that you could apply for in order to further study food or nutrition. If you have any questions, please get in touch. Thank you.